Hi friends, let's make an orange cake. This is an easy vegan orange cake that's simply irresistible. Let's move on to the preparation. First, we are going to extract some fresh orange juice. Take 4 oranges, remove the rind and seeds, and cut them into small pieces. Now we will blend them to extract the juice. Here we have about 1 1/4 cups of orange juice. In a large bowl, sieve 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Add 150 gram sugar and half cup ground almond and mix well. Make a well in the center and pour in the orange juice as well as half cup sunflower oil and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Using a hand whisk, combine the wet ingredients and dry ingredients until we have a smooth batter. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of non-dairy milk if the batter is too dry. I'm adding 1 1/2 tablespoons almond milk. You may add more orange juice or plant-based milk if the batter is too dry. Be careful not to overmix. Line a cake pan with baking paper. I'm using a 9-inch round pan. Transfer the batter into the cake pan. Spread the batter evenly. Then place the cake pan in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake for 35 to 40 minutes. Remove the cake from the oven and let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then you can transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Meanwhile, we will prepare an orange glazing and oat whipping cream to decorate the cake. For the orange glazing, put 1 cup orange juice in a pan. Add half cup powdered sugar and 3 tablespoons corn flour. Stir with a whisk to dissolve without any lumps. Set the stove at a low heat and stir continuously until the glaze thickens. Add a little orange color if preferred. The glaze should be a thick consistency. Allow it to cool down before applying on the cake. For the frosting, we will use oat whipping cream. The cream should be refrigerated overnight with the can upside down. Open the can and scoop out the solid part. The liquid part should be at the bottom and can be discarded. Now add 2 tablespoons powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Whisk at the lower speed for just 30 seconds to 1 minute. Don't over whip as the cream will split. Once the cake has cooled down completely, we can apply the frosting, orange glazing, and any other decorations as desired. There you have it, an irresistible vegan orange cake that's sure to impress your friends and family. Let's taste the cake. The combination of the orange flavor and the moist texture is simply irresistible, and it is so soft and fluffy. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out for you. Don't forget to like this video, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to my channel for more mouth-watering vegan recipes. Until next time, happy baking!